Hi everyone, it's Michelle Usabelli here with a quick tip. We're going to look at how to lead a viewer through the painting using color and texture. So for instance, if I want you to come in and read the painting this way, I may want to kind of reinforce right here where you come in, and then we can use even a textural color note to bring your eye, continue up, bring you into here. Let's add, these are all the little nuances at the end to kind of reestablish how the viewer is going through your painting. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that tip helped.